Infrared residential inspections. The two most common types of infrared inspections performed on residential dwellings are for insulation deficiencies and moisture intrusion problems. These inspections are routinely performed on old and new construction homes alike. Thermal imaging can be used to locate insulation problems such as missing attic insulation, missing or sagging wall insulation, air infiltration due to improperly installed vapor barrier in unsealed electrical boxes, improper insulation and sealing between attached garages and second-story bonus rooms resulting in an uncomfortably cold room, excess heat loss and airflow into attic spaces due to lack of insulation and/or improper vapor barrier installation, poorly insulated floor joist cavities and failed window seals. An infrared inspection by a trained thermographer can also locate moisture problems resulting from condensation forming in an attic space due to a lack of insulation and/or improper vapor barrier installation, improperly installed or missing door and window flashing, poor drainage and roof leaks. In the hands of a trained thermographer, infrared thermal imaging technology is one of the most valuable diagnostic tools available for locating insulation and moisture problems in houses. However, without high-resolution thermal imaging equipment and training in the science of thermography, glaring problems can be completely overlooked. Thermography training and following published standards helps to ensure infrared inspections are conducted under the proper conditions and with the proper equipment to maximize the probability of locating construction defects. Proper methods and factors to consider for the effective infrared inspection of residential building envelopes is a topic covered in the Infraspection Institute Level 1 Certified Infrared Thermographer course. This course and the certification exam can be completed online and at your own pace via distance learning. A relevant non-certification course titled Infrared Thermography for Building Envelopes and Roofs is also available. To register for either of these courses, visit Insight Infrared Training at www.infraredtraining.ca.